Apply in 3 steps. Well, you've decided. You want to start or you don't want to start. You know better where you are. Thank you for your time. And because you followed us until the end, you have discovered the achievements and part of the experience of those from the amazing success stories we are so proud and possibly your future. For those who want to start daily practice in the WOW community, follow these 3 steps. Leave a message on YouTube in the comment section with #JoinWowDope. I want to start part-time at level 1 in August. Or #JoinWowDope. I want to start full-time at level 1 in September. You want to take a screenshot where your comment is visible and that you are subscribed to our YouTube channel. This is your first test, as you want to show that you are capable of having a conversation with a possible employer or a client that might inquire more information about who you are and what type of skills and experience you might have. It's quite easy for anyone in your position to compose a detailed email message with the best answer that you can give to very simple questions. Anyone that has basic English conversational skills can do this 100%. 2. Send an email to get-hired@wowdope.com or vreau-angajat@wowdope.com, where you want to repeat the message in the email subject, and in the body of the email, paste or write down the answers to the questions that you took notes from earlier in the playlist. That's all you have to do to be considered an applicant to join the Rabbit Team WowDope or the Marathon Team WowJump. To join a team and practice daily, subscribe to Join WowDope and apply.